What's up, guys? Your boy, the Bulletproof Trader here. Today is the 5th of February. I had a lovely week, a pretty decent week. And let's get right into it. Let's go. Let me give you guys a summary of the week. Um, and essentially, yeah, how everything is at the moment. And I'll give you guys an update. I believe the week started on the 31st. 31st was a great day, probably the best day I had trading. I made 10R on 2 different trades. Could have been a lot more, by the way. Could have been a lot. It's fine. As you can tell here, go to the 15-minute here. So I selected this order block right here. It's in premium, so on high and low. It's above the 50 for me. So I selected this order block right there. There was a bit of motive above, which makes it a bit dangerous, but I had no fear. Price mitigated it, made a flip. Oh, I entered right there. And yeah, I was gonna target the lows, but I was like, I'm happy with a 5R the bag. Go for the week was 5%. I was like, let's start off day by day. I haven't won a trade in a long time. So yeah, had to get that. That was the first trade. Took about 40 minutes. Nice, very quick. That's what I like about the 5Rs, it's just very quick. Okay, then the second one was this one could have been like 20R trade. But I'll explain to you guys why I didn't let it run. So I selected this OB here, the last OB. It was a very good especially with the trend, it's always a very good high probability order block because as you can tell, price broke structure there, made a new high, so price is probably going to come back down. If it's going to carry on with the trend, it's not going to break down this low, so up. Yeah, I could target there. That's something I'm going to start doing, I think, guys. I'll do some testing this week. Now that I have a lot more time in my hands, I'm going to do some testing. And actually, let me write that down real quick so I don't forget. All right, cool. So yeah, selected that, and the reason why, guys, it's oh, I actually didn't take a screenshot. I'll explain to you guys. So this here is a 5-minute OB, and we made some motive here, as you can see. That's like a motive for price to come. So if I was gonna take it to there was a good chance as well, because that met the other criteria of my strategy to go here. The only reason why I didn't take that trade is because it was in discount. It was below this line here. So I just set my TP to there, and I was happy with the 5R, 10R for the day. Incredible day, And now that's 5%, by the way. So 5% in that day, excellent. Cool. So Tuesday. Oh, this was quite interesting, guys. So as you can see, price mitigated this OB. We had a flip. But there was no candles here that I would select. So then we had a break of market structure there for me. Selected this candle, moved my stop loss to there, and price just went here, unfortunately. And yeah, it took me out by like minus 0.1%. Anyway, then I was like, okay, cool. Let's see if I can catch this confirmation entry since there's no other candles. Took the trade here. I had an alarm for here where I was going to decide to take TP or not, but I took notifications off for trading views on my phone, and I closed trading views because this trade took so long. Look, I was there from 11:15 way to, so I was like, at this around about here, I was like, okay, let me just let it run. Check. By the time I checked, news happened. Price was here, came up to here. I decided to not close it, and then it was breaking. So that was quite annoying. That was quite annoying. Waited so long, and yeah. So that was like minus. Wasn't minus 0.5. I was like minus. And then I finally waited for this trade here. Price once again mitigated the extreme, but this one's a bit different because with the trend, right? Price broke trend here, changed trend here, sorry. And then I decided to go for this candle here because it was too far for price to come to this extreme. I was going to enter on this one as well, but at that point, the 50% was a bit above. It's like it is here, but I was like, you know what, this time I'm just. So that was a quick 5 hour and 5 minutes, guys. 4 hours, sorry, in 5 minutes. I I didn't close in time. Price moved really quick, and then it just moved far against me. That day I made 5 hour. Sorry, guys, my throat's a bit sore. Sec. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I don't know if I told you guys I had COVID last week. Wasn't that bad. I'm okay, in case you guys are wondering. But anyway, um, here we go. Wednesday. Yeah, this one's a bit interesting actually. This day, because I mocked up this 50-minute OB here, but it wasn't valid, so I don't know what happened there. This trade wasn't really valid. See, flips, right, standard procedure. I didn't realize that until the end of the day, which is really weird. Anyway, that was. Oh, sorry, that was the same day. Okay, that's. But this is Wednesday then. Um, yeah, this was quite annoying because it's Thursday actually. Okay, yeah, sorry. This is quite annoying, guys, because I had to go back into the office Wednesday. So it's trading is not good. I wasn't very on my screen the whole time, so yeah, that's why I was quit my job. Anyway, that wasn't just the only reason, but that's when I was like, yes, it's not gonna. So there was a flip there, 50-minute OB entry, -1 hour, fine. There was liquidity here, trading view bar and MT, like such flip again. I risked only 0.25 on this trade. I didn't. I was going to take it off because the negative coming up if it takes too long. But price went up so quick, my alarm went off, and then the trade was there, and it just took me out. So yeah, that's that. And I also took this trade here. This one was it's kind of similar as you can see, really similar price action actually. Covering both order blocks, could have this one or that one, and yeah, what happened was yeah, it's quite hard to tell if this was too far gone from or if it was still quite close, but obviously the result was against me, so I guess it was too far gone, and I wanted to see price come up correct. That's why I didn't take if it met the criteria for these two. And then this was Thursday. Let's have a look. Here, price mitigated this OB right there. Okay, very valid OB. And yeah, good to see a good change of trend. But yeah, so price did a flip there, taken out. Nothing to do with my stop loss. That still, some reason, it's come all down, then go up. But didn't write anything there. Met the criteria for me. Then I don't this one. This one's Thursday as well. Oh, I remember this quite well actually because there was a trade I was waiting for to give me an entry around about. And look, you see, I'm waiting for an entry here for this flip. Price just come back. So yeah, I went long instead when price mitigate. Oh, sorry, it was this will be right here. Price mitigate this will be, and it was there, but yeah, just got taken out. Like I said here, 15 candles did close outside. Closed outside here. Fair enough. Fair enough. Still met my criteria though. And this was the trade from yesterday, Friday. So basically, mitigated again. You see the same thing. This is what I noticed as well, right? See, we're in a downtrend. This is the extreme order block. Like I said, very high probability. And again, like it broke the low. So my plan is to backtest, take profits to the low if this kind of situation occurs. So, because I actually had my TP, I was like there. I was like, you know what? Let's I'm not used to doing this. Do you know what I mean? I'm not used to. I like to be in and out quick. I'm not used to managing a trade for hours. But so yeah, that's the thing. That's the work I need to put in now to practice that. So, do and yeah, 6.5R. Back to the entry. I chose this one first, and then I have my stop loss one. Let's go down here because I was adjusting my goal. You can see this time there is a correction as it's going up. So it took a while to come back. It went down here, but if there wasn't the correction, I wouldn't have taken it. There was the correction, I took it. Oh, followed the plan very well. And for the whole week, guys, we made 6.7%. So let me explain what happened, right? I believe I started the challenge around about, I think it was last Monday, I think, guys. And yeah, last Monday, and I went straight. I still kept losing. So I lost minus 7% the first week. Crazy. Like I was managing risk, everything, It was just loss after loss after loss. Loss, as you can see, loss, loss. Still sticking to my maximum loss limit, trying but I finally found out what I was doing wrong. It was basically I made a little change to my plan, the entries. After I lost the account, I was like, these need to change because the Christmas period, and then obviously the Christmas period is different. Now things are back to normal, say. So yeah. Anyway, so that change was made and lost 7%. This week I gained 7% almost. So I'm almost at break even. So yeah, that's here we go. So yeah, I'm still doing the challenge. Let's see how it goes now. Market presents itself to me. Opportunities, let's take them. Excuse for me to not be sharp now. Back testing every day, routine is on point. Waking up at 5. You guys that read the 5 a.m. club book, it's book. Waking up at 5, doing my routine, reading, back testing, meditating, praying, everything you name it, guys. Spiritually, everything. I am, yeah. So that's that for the week, guys. Pretty good week. Let's see if we can keep improving. That's the thing. We can always. And I'm going to do some work this weekend to see if next week we can work on that TP if I get an opportunity like the two I did this week. Yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys may perhaps learn something new. It's following the journey. Sorry, I just realized you guys barely saw my face. It's so really so sorry. Yeah. Hope you guys have a good weekend and peace. Take care. You have any questions and comments?